Tēnā koutou. Nau mai hara mai ki te wahanga tuatai. Welcome to the first session as we go through our pronunciation. Let's make a start. Me tīmata tātou. Whakarongo mai. I will go through the first part and then repeat myself and then move on to the next section. Whakarongo mai. Ha, ka, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f. Anō, one more time. H, k, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f. Let's have a look at the next section. Okay, on one side we have the a, e, I, o, u, and then next to it we have the macron above, so we drag it with a, e, I, o, u. Anō, one more time. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. Let's go on to section number 3. Now combining the two together. Whakarongo mai. H, a, ha, k, e, ke, m, I, mi, n, o, no, p, u, pu, r, a, ra, t, e, te, w, I, wi, ng, o, ngo, f, u, fu. One more time. Anō. H, a, ha, k, e, ke, m, I, mi, n, o, no, p, u, pu, r, a, ra, t, e, te, w, I, wi, ng, o, ngo, f, u, fu. Okay, the next one we're going to do is we're going to drag the other side, as you can see, the double letters to make it h, a, ha, k, e, ke, m, I, mi, n, o, no, p, u, pu, r, a, ra, t, e, te, w, I, wi, ng, o, ngo, f, u, fu. Ka pai, ko mutu te mahi mo tēnei wā. We have finished this part. If you need to go over the lesson again, by all means, go back to the beginning and give it another go. Nō reira, kia ora tātou.